Hello, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I explain how to create a Shopify store for jewelry brand. Creating a Shopify store for jewelry brand starts with signing up for a Shopify account and selecting a plan. Once inside your dashboard, choose a themes that highlight visual. Many jewelry brands go with clean, elegant themes like Duan or Studio that let you upload your product photos, shine, and next, upload a high quality image of your jewelry. Write a compelling product description that includes material, size, and care instructions. And also organize your product into collections such as earring, necklace, or new arrival. After that, set up your payment gateway like Shopify payment or using PayPal. Define shopping option based on your packaging need and ensure your return policy is clear, especially since jewelry is a personal item. Enable product review and consider using apps like Judge Me to build your social proof. Finally, you can also connect your store to Instagram and Pinterest to showcase your price, visual, and install a Facebook pixel to track your ads performance with a strong branding. Clear visual and smart setup, your Shopify jewelry store can attract and convert customers efficiently. And that's it.